Thank you for your purchase. Let's quickly show you how to edit your Canva animated invite. First, create a free account at canva.com if you don't have one yet. Then click the link we sent you to open your template. You'll see your design ready to customize. To edit text, simply click on any text box and type your own details. Names, dates, and event info. Want to change colors or fonts? Use the top menu to pick colors, font styles, and sizes that match your style. To replace images or icons, click on them and upload your own photos. To adjust the overall template duration, click on the timeline at the bottom and change the total video length to fit your needs. To add your own song, click on Uploads, select your audio file, and drag it onto the timeline to sync with your invite. Preview your animation by clicking the play button so you can see how your invite moves. Once you're happy, click Download and choose MP4 for animated invites or PDF for static invites. And finally, PDF print for printing your invitations. And that's it. Your personalized animated invite is ready to share.